This is Explore Qais, an application that allows the user to get an insight into the historical place of the Roman-built city. After pressing the Start Exploration button, the user is directed to a satellite overview of Qais. Here the user can see which structures are explorable within the app. By clicking one of the green buttons, the model can be accessed. The model of the theater was the main focus of this project. Inside the scene, the model can be freely rotated and the user can zoom in and zoom out of the model. The user can get further information about the structure by pressing the different green buttons spread around the model. The opening dialog box provides interesting facts about the structure. After a dialog box was opened, the user can either use the X button or the same green button to close the dialog. Buttons for the dialog boxes that have been shown turn more transparent but still work. To leave the model view, the arrow back button or the back button on the smartphone can be used. The overview screen now shows an overlay of the axis structure on top of the location of the model. That indicates that the structure has been visited. Accessing the model still works by pressing the same button again. There are 6 models in total incorporated into the application. Highlights of the application are the theater, the room along the market street right above the theater, the pillar which is still in good condition, and the tomb. The application can be left by going back to the start screen and pressing the quit game button or pressing the back button on the device inside the start screen.